Hi everyone, it's Emily from Lakeshore. Welcome to today's Learning at Home video where we will be using Sidewalk chalk to play 5 fun language games. To get started, all you'll need is Sidewalk chalk in an outdoor space. And if your weather isn't cooperating, simply grab any writing utensil, a pad of paper, or index cards and follow along. The first 3 activities will help our pre-K through 2nd graders identify letter names and sounds and practice their sight words. The second 2 activities will help our 1st, 2nd, and 3rd graders break apart and read compound words and contractions. So let's get started. Our first activity is called Draw the Letter. And this is great for our pre-K through 1st graders who are learning to identify their letter names and sounds. To get started, you'll need to do a little prep work by writing the alphabet out on the ground. Once all of the letters are written, have your child draw a picture that begins with each letter. For example, for the letter A, your child might draw an apple. Once they draw all the pictures associated with each letter, have them share each picture, name each picture, and practice the beginning sound for each picture. Our second activity is called Trace the Letter. And this offers a great way for our pre-K through 1st graders to practice writing the letters of the alphabet. To get started on this one, use the same letters you've already written on the ground and have your child trace over each one. As they go along, have your child name the letter and the beginning sound for each. For an extra challenge, you can have the child draw the letter on their own right above yours. Our third activity is called Sight Word Flowers and is a great way for your kindergarten through 2nd grader to practice their sight words. Practicing sight words is so important in order for your child to become a fluent reader. You can't sound them out as you go, you just have to know them by sight. So let's practice in a fun way. First, grab your child's list of sight words from school. Then have your child draw the first word on the ground, circle it, and then draw the stem and flower petals. Once your child has drawn their sight word flower, have them read the sight word out loud to you. And if they read it correctly, give them some water to allow them to water their flower and watch it disappear. Our next activity is called Compound Word Match and is a great way for your 1st through 3rd grader to learn how to read compound words. Being able to break apart a big word into smaller units is a great strategy to help your child read through unfamiliar and lengthy words. To get started, brainstorm a list of compound words with your child. Once you have your list, write the 2 halves of each word on the ground, making sure to mix them up. From there, have your child draw a line with the chalk from the first part of the compound word to the second part. Then, the fun part, have your child get from the first part of the word to the second part in any way they choose. They can skip, hop, or even waddle like a duck. Our final activity, Contraction Word Match, is all about contractions. With your 1st, 2nd, or 3rd grader, brainstorm a list of contractions together. Once you have your list, have your child write the 2 words that make up the contraction on the ground. And then next to that, have them write the contraction. We'd love to see your child's learning in progress. Post a video or photo to social media using the hashtag #LearnWithLakeshore. We hope you enjoyed this Learning at Home video. Please be sure to like this video and subscribe to our Lakeshore Learning channel to see more. Until next time, keep on learning.
Keep watching our Learning at Home videos. Plus, visit lakeshorelearning.com for thousands of free resources.